All right, so in this lecture, I'll be showing you how to be able to work with Python dictionary. So first is we will need to go and create a new Python file to enable us to code our Python library. So I can just say dictionary, okay, dictionary underscore Python, for instance. So now we are looking at how to create dictionary. So dictionary are used to store data values and they are used to store data values in key and values. So now I'm just going to quickly give an introduction. So here I can say my class, okay, and I can say equals to and then I'll come here. So the first word is referred to as the key, while the what you are assigning to the key is being referred to as the value. So now let's say I like um different kinds of cars, for instance. So I can say that I like, let's say Lexus. So I can now come here and then I'll say brand brand equals, sorry, brand, then you use your column to separate, then I can say Benz, for instance, right? Then next I can now come and say the model. Uh, so the model will be model. So I can come and say the model is um C500, for instance. Um, So the model is C500. So after each word, you must have comma at the end of each word that you've created. So here, I'm going to reassign this brand bands. Then here, to say my model. So model is C500. Then make sure it's separated by comma. I'll enter and then I'll say year. Sorry. Oh, yeah, year of production. And then I'll say 1989, 87. So this is basically an example of um this is an example of a Python dictionary. So for me to be able to access this, I will just say print. Sorry, I'll just say print my class. So, and then I'll just run it. So this is basically my class. So let's go further. How to access items in Python dictionary. So for you to be able to access items in dictionary, you can do that using keys, right? So you can go ahead to say to get the list of the keys. So I said that the keys are like the holders of the value. So brand is a key, model is a key, year is a key. So how do you get all of this out? You can just say X is equals to my class, right? Dot keys, for instance. Okay, so dot keys. So you can now come and say print, for instance, Y. Then you can run this program. So you can see dictionary keys are brand, model, and year. So these are the keys in this particular dictionary. So how do you get values? So you can come here and say value is equals to x is equals to my class. Then the same thing, dot values, right? Dot values. Then you come and say print, okay, print x, then you run your program and then you can be able to see the values. So this is how you get your values in Python dictionaries. So next thing is, how do you get items? We return each item in dictionary. So how do you go about getting each of the items in Python dictionary? So if you want to get the items in Python dictionary, you can come here and say, for instance, k is equals to, then you say my class dot, for instance, items, right? Then you come here and then you say print key, right? So you come here and say print key, then you run your program. So this is basically all the items, brand, Benz, model, C300, year 1987. So that's how to get all the items in your dictionary. So if you want to know if key exists or not, so you want to determine if a particular key is in existence in your dictionary. So how do you go about it? So you can say if, fine, if, right? If model in, so if model in my class, right? You can now say print, you can now go ahead and say print, um, you can now go ahead and print sure, sure, right? So, model is one of the characters or one of the elements we have in this dictionary. Is that clear? So, dictionary. Okay, so you can just go ahead to run this. All right, so it's actually there. Sure, model is one of the elements we have in dictionary. But now let's say it is not there, for instance, then you can be able to also know that it is not there. So how do we change items in Python dictionary? So next thing we are looking at is changing Python, sorry, changing items in dictionaries. Dictionaries. Okay, so how do we go about that? So in order for you to be able to change items in Python dictionary, so you can go ahead and say that. So let's say I want to change the model, for instance, so I can just say my class, right? Then I can just go ahead with the syntax and then I'll say model. Then I can just um, change it to um, I can just change it to Toyota, sorry, um, Toyota, okay, Toyota. So then if I come here and then I say print my class and then I run it, So you can see that my model, oh, sorry, this was supposed to be, um, okay, I'm coming. So, so print my class equals to, sorry, the mistake was from me. It was supposed to be equals to, then once I print it, so you can see that my model has changed to Toyota. So that's basically how you can be able to change items in dictionary. So the next thing is update dictionary. So update dictionary. So how do you go about updating dictionary? Update dictionary. So we are going to see how to create make update dictionary to work. So when you have you created your dictionary and you want to update it, so how do you make it to work? So in order for you to be able to update your dictionary, you can just say that my class dot update, then you can just go ahead and say so I'm just going to say brand. I'll just change it and then uh I'll say what brand. So I'll say calendar there. So I'm going to be using this brand. So then I'll just run my program. So if by the time you like run the program, so you can my class dot update. So something seems to be wrong. Um, let me see. I'm trying to understand the brand and I'll change it to yeah. Um, and, and that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, oh, sorry. So after updating, I was supposed to print um my class. Well, I didn't print it. So you can see here 2038. So everything is perfect. So let's continue with our Python dictionary. So how do you add items in your Python dictionary? So their syntax are mostly the same when dealing with all of this the mapping type of data. So you all you just need to do is to say my class, then you can go ahead and say um, color equals to equals to red, right? Then you can go ahead to say print class and sorry class. So then go ahead to run it. So you can see I have added another item. So that's how to add item to your Python dictionary. So let's see, how do you remove item from your Python dictionary? So let's quickly see how you can remove item from your Python dictionary. So I can just come here and then you can see, so from all that you've created, you can see my class dot pop, right? So what are we popping? I'm going to pop the color. Um, I'm going to pop color. So then I'll run the program. So you can see the red is still there. So after writing any of the program, you must ensure to print it. Then you run your program. So you see that our color has gone because we have successfully deleted it. So this is basically what you need to know for Python dictionaries. If you have any question, please don't forget to post it on the comment section and ensure to do your assignment by following the instructions. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.